Good evening, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Varsha. Basically, I belong to Uttar Pradesh, but now I am living here in Delhi since 2003. As far as my qualification, I have done BSc with PCM group, Physics, Chemistry, Maths. I did a B.Ed in 2014, and in the same year I cleared Central Teacher Eligibility Test CTAT in 2014 after finishing my B.Ed. I have done MBA also in HR, and now I am pursuing TEFL TESOL course. I am pursuing PG Diploma in TEFL TESOL course from Asian Teacher of College, but now I have finished my 120 hours of certification course. Right now I am working with Guruji Public School here in Delhi, and I taught many students of Delhi from different schools like KR Mangalam, Heritage International, DPS, Ryan International School. Almost every big school student I taught from 2003 to 2021, which is going on. So almost I have 10 plus teaching experience of Delhi students. As far as my achievements, many things I achieved up to now, and I learned. Because I am very positive, I always want to learn from my students too. Because every student is unique and different. They have different quality, and as a teacher, it is my duty to enhance particular those quality the student is interested for. So as a teacher, I have to recognize that quality first. So I am self-motivated person, and the same thing I apply for my students. I always motivate them to do whatever is interesting thing for them. I motivate in positive way. I keep them engaged in any energetic activity. I learned so many tools and techniques and methodologies to teach students to engage themselves. Because sometimes it's very boring for them to keep on doing the same thing. So as a teacher, what is my duty? My duty is to keep on changing the activity with the students so that he will never feel bored. And as far as about my students, I have taken very small kids also. I taught young learners, very young learners who are kids, young learners, and I have taken adults classes also for the spoken English. And my background is science and maths also. So many students, I have taught science and maths also to many students here in Delhi. Currently, I am working with my project and my assignments that are related to TEFL TESOL. I am pursuing. I am doing specialization in 5 things in my course TEFL TESOL. So normal course of 120 hour I have finished, but now my specialization starts with the young learners. I am doing number 1 is young learner, number 2 training the teachers, and business English, and special education, like how to taught special students. And these are all my specialization which I am pursuing with Asian College of Teachers. But because right now everything is online, I am teaching my students online from home, and still I always motivate them to keep on practicing the things and never get bored. Because every time there is a success. If you are sitting at a home, there is also many opportunities. Like you can identify yourself. It's a time to identify yourself and correct yourself. As we can never sit alone with us. and recognize us. What are our weakness? What are our strengths? So this is the time to recognize ourselves. What I tell the students: sit with yourself, write about yourself, and what are your weakness, what are your strength, and keep correcting those things and keep on doing those things. So this is all about myself. Thank you so much.